I just moved to North Hills. I wanted to change my drapes, so I googled it and I found a Galaxy Design drapery online. I watched some videos and I found it's easy for me to install them. So I'm going to install them by myself. I watched some videos and I figured out others they install it by themselves. I'm so excited to put them on and I'm sure they get a good look at my house. I just put on my drapes and I think they add a lot to my house, and I don't need to buy lots of furniture because they cover everything and they did something special to my house, and I'm so excited for that. I recommend a Galaxy Design drapery to everyone who wants to dress their home